Hello everyone, welcome to Rebecca's Ancient Chinese Math Academy. Today we will be looking at the mouse problem. So let's look at the problem first. There is a wall that is 5 foot thick. Two mice dig from both sides of the wall and move towards each other. Their goal is to dig through the wall. On day 1, the big mouse digs 1 foot. The small mouse digs 1 foot. Theoretically, the amount of wall the big mouse digs doubles every day, and the amount of wall the small mouse digs halves each day. On the last day of their work, if there is not enough wall left to dig, they finish their work at the theoretical rate. How many feet of the wall does the big mouse dig in total? So here is the question, and we're trying to find the amount of wall the big mouse digs. I will go about solving this problem by go ahead and listing out the amount of wall each mouse digs on each day. So on day 1, 2 mice dig a total of 2 feet, and there is 3 feet left. On day 2, the big mouse digs 2 feet, and the small digs 1/2 foot. According to the problem, they dig 2.5 feet total, and there is 1/2 foot left. Excuse me, that should be a 5 right there. So by looking at how much wall is left on at the end of the day 2, we can see that there will not be enough wall to dig on day 3, but they are still going to work at the same rate. So let's see how much work they will do on day 3. Theoretically, the big mouse should dig 4 feet, and the small mouse digs 1/4 of a foot. So we know the rate they work at, so let's set the amount the big mouse digs on day 3 to x. And the amount of wall the small mouse digs equals to half it minus x. Let me just go ahead and erase these right here so that we have more room to write the equation we're about to use. So we set the amount the big house is going to dig on the last day equals to x, and the amount the small mouse is going to dig equals to 1/2 foot minus x. Because the amount of work over efficiency equals to time, and we know that the big mouse and the small mouse will work for the same amount of time on the last day, so we can set the equation to x over 4, which is the efficiency, the work, the rate the big mouse is going to work at, and 1/2 foot minus x over 1/4. This is the amount of work, and this is the small mouse efficiency, the rate it's going to work at. And we solve this equation, and we can find that x equals to 8/17, which equals to 0.471. You can do either fraction or decimal, it doesn't really matter. Therefore, the big mouse digs 8/17. I'm going to go ahead and use fraction here. Feet on the third day, and the small mouse digs minus, which equals 2 feet, because the question asks how many feet of wood does the big mouse dig in total, and we can find that the amount equals to 1. This is the amount the big mouse digs on day 1, 2, the amount the big mouse digs on day 2, and 8/17, which we just found, and that equals to 3/816, which equals to 3.47 feet in decimals. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it enjoyable, and I hope you find it interesting to do math problems. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment area and I will get to your question as soon as possible.